Hey there, and a warm welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Merhnoush, and here we are to dive deep into the fascinating world of IELTS Writing Task 2. So grab your pens and notebooks because we are about to uncover the secrets of achieving a remarkable Band 8 score. In this video, my focus will be on presenting you with carefully sample answers from the latest IELTS writing test. But before we get started, let me share an exciting opportunity with you. Head on over to our website, which is www.rossielts.com, where you'll discover all the writing material to elevate your band score. We've got you covered. As you already know, for the writing task 2, you'll be presented with an essay question and have to present your opinion or arguments on the given topic. Now, let's look at a recent question and discuss a Band 8 model answer together. Here we go. The essay topic is, some people believe that the best way to reduce crime rates is to implement longer prison sentences. Others, however, believe that alternative methods should be explored. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now that we have the topic, we should have it in mind some tips to give a perfect answer to this question. The first one is to understand the question. So you should make sure to take the time to carefully read and analyze the essay question. Identify the key components such as the topic, instructions, and the type of essay required, like is it an agree-disagree question or discussion question or any other question type. This will help you structure your response effectively. Now, the second thing you should do is to plan and organize, which means before you start writing, you should create a clear outline of your essay. Organize your ideas into paragraphs, ensuring a logical flow of information. This will help you maintain coherence and cohesion in your writing. Make sure to support your arguments because when presenting arguments, you should provide examples, evidence, or relevant statistics to support your viewpoints. This will show your ability to think critically and provide a well-supported response. The next thing to do is to balance your arguments. If the essay requires you to discuss both sides of an argument, ensure that you provide a balanced analysis. Present each viewpoint objectively and then express your own opinion supported by clear reasoning. The next step, the fifth one, is to use advanced vocabulary and grammar. Enhance your writing by incorporating a wide range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. This will show your language proficiency and help you achieve a higher score in the lexical resource and grammatical range criteria. Now, let's write our essay by having in mind the mentioned tips. Here we go. So, the topic was asking, or was actually saying, some people believe that the best way to reduce crime rates is to implement longer prison sentences. Others, however, believe that alternative methods should be explored. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So this is a discussion question, and here's how we write the essay. Here we go with the first paragraph. In today's society, the issue of reducing crime rates is of much importance. While some individuals argue that longer prison sentences are the most effective solution, others believe that alternative methods should be considered. In my opinion, a combination of both approaches can result in better things. Supporters of longer prison sentences argue that harsher punishments act as deterrents and discourage potential offenders. They believe that by imposing stricter penalties, individuals will think twice before engaging in criminal activities, leading to a decrease in crime rates. Moreover, longer sentences provide more time of rehabilitation and reformation, allowing offenders to reflect on their actions and undergo necessary changes. Now here's the next body paragraph. On the other hand, proponents of alternative methods advocate for a more holistic approach to addressing crime. They argue that solely relying on lengthy prison sentences may not effectively address the root causes of criminal behavior. Alternative methods such as community service, education, and vocational training programs aim to rehabilitate offenders, reintegrate them into society, and prevent recidivism. These methods focus on addressing underlying issues such as lack of education, unemployment, and substance abuse, which are often contributing factors to criminal activities. In my view, a balanced approach combining longer prison sentences with alternative methods is crucial. While extended periods of incarceration can serve as a deterrent and ensure public safety, it is equally important to address the underlying causes of criminal behavior. By providing offenders with rehabilitation programs and support systems, we can increase their chances of successful reintegration into society and reduce the likelihood of reoffending. In conclusion, the reduction of crime rates requires a multifaceted approach. Longer prison sentences can act as deterrents and provide opportunities for rehabilitation, while our alternative methods address the root causes of criminal behavior. It is imperative for policymakers to consider both approaches to create a more effective and sustainable criminal justice system. By following the tips, we could write a Band 8 model answer. Remember to practice regularly and seek feedback to further improve your skills. That wraps up today's video on IELTS Writing Task 2. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And you can always use our writing correction service. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and can't wait to see you next time.
Hello everybody! Do you want to know what band score you will get in your IELTS writing? Do you also need to know how to improve your writing skills for the real test? We've got the solution for you in Ross IELTS Academy. Send us your writings. We'll check them out thoroughly in less than 36 hours. You'll get the band score along with comprehensive feedback in both written and video formats. It's your time to become our next successful candidates.